Hey honeys, how are you? Tanyanishailoc here, and of course welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's popping, what's well, and of course all that particular kind of good stuff over there. So of course the quarantine is real, and of course the isolation is real, but of course we are also trying to utilize it very, very well. You know that the last few months, I think right now in Uganda it's almost about 1.5 months or one and something like 3 weeks, something like that. The quarantine has been so real, but today I bring to you a vlog where I want to show you the queens and the kings behind me right now. Nice, that is nice. He fears the camera, you guys, but we also have here some queens. Ivy Aguas, the quarantine is real, and there is a person here who has fasted last night, and also someone. You guys, I don't know how I'm going to do this, guys. They fear the camera. Now look at this big man. Saja mkulu. Saja mkulu, are you on the camera? Guys, you look at, there is a person here in this cover. But bakulu itebereza bakwata ngo bienkoko nga wekwese wote abaje bajafutu se olange Jingo, say hi to the camera. Remember, even Jingo fears the camera. There is Dice over there. So this is the man who has been hiding Mirionia, the boss lady. So that is Dice. Dice is always fearing the camera, and that is me, guys. By the way, I lost some weight one of these days. I don't know what you think of me, but I really did lose some weight, and the quarantine has been so real. This is how we have been the whole season. People are playing here riba in Islam, but you can riba. I cannot let me past you guys. So you guys, the quarantine has been so freaking real. I think the last few days, as we wait for our president to come in to talk to us. Oh, it is too bright here. Oh my god, I've not been to the kitchen since morning. So the quarantine has been so real since we're waiting for our president to come in and officially release us. I don't know if it will be possible, but hopefully that it will be possible, because my god, I'm tired of this quarantine, for God's sake. But I literally want you guys to show you how everything. Oh, by the way, that's Nasuna in the background. Shamira, say hi, honey is over there. So literally, guys, I want to show you something at the front of our house. You know, you guys have taken some beautiful time without getting out of the house. I'm always in the house and having a sweater on, and that has been my crazy kind of life. I want to just show you guys how the vegetation is so green, and how life is treating me one of these days. So usually, guys, this is how everything looks around my village. This is just my mini compound. Everything is so green, and it has been raining for, I don't know, for the last 3 days, but not very consistent, but something like after like 2 days it rains, after like 1 day it rains, and look at how the skies are blue. Oh my god, it just makes me feel like literally they are about to release us, and I cannot tell you how my heart is excited, like very excited to see that tomorrow the president is going to be talking to us, because you guys, literally my camera had turned off because the quarantine is real, and I cannot wait to go out there for the curfew to end, to work at night, to go back to school, to do all my routines like how I used to do them. And just today is just like any other day, you know. I want to just sit down, I want to go film some videos, I want to do my skincare kind of routine. My face is going to the dogs one of these days. I have not shaved my face in ages. Oh my god, that's me. That's just my simple kind of disorganized life. But I want to just record some videos, then after at least try to organize the room, then maybe talk to you guys later as I start on my routine, maybe something like that. I want to talk to you about Miriam Makeba's music. One of these days I've been very, very like obsessed with Miriam Makeba's music. It has been driving me nuts. I really love listening to it. And by the way, even I opened up a new TikTok account. I've never been on TikTok before, but I did open it up. I want to just start some music, of course, but of course Miriam Makeba's music. So literally, you guys have just left those guys. I don't know how to play that game. I'm telling you that I know how to play it. It will be a lie. Right now I want to convert some music, some of my background music of my YouTube videos, if that makes sense. I want to convert it then from my PC is over there. Then I put some of the tracks on my phone. But right now my face needs a shave. Yes, a skincare kind of routine. I'm going to do that maybe with you guys right now. Then later on I'm going to be shooting some YouTube videos. Is that kind of a person, of course, who loves shooting my videos in advance. I always have videos on my computer. This place is dark. I know it's dark. Okay, so I'm always that kind of a person, of course, who loves shooting my videos in advance. Like, I want to have them always, so that when I get the opportunity, of course, of uploading them, I upload them. And I'm very obsessed with this new application of YT Studio. It gives you the opportunity to premiere different videos at different times. I don't know if you guys, especially creators, you have seen that, but I'm gagging for it. You can literally upload something like 5 videos at the same time. Then you can dedicate different times which you want your viewers to see it. I'm obsessed about that, and I can't wait to try it out when I upload my next videos, because I'm always uploading video. Like, I can upload 3 videos at the same time because I have some issues. My data is always on phone, but it's on for a limited amount of time, you know. That's why I always even do upload them at all the time. But this new feature hopefully is going to be doing magic in my life. But I don't know why I've talked about that. Right about now, I want to just sit down, start off my mask. You guys, I don't know which masks recently are you obsessed with, but I've been obsessed with this Dead Sea Black black mask, and I think this is the brand that I've ever used sometime back. I don't know when, but sometime back in July of last year, I did some kind of face mask, I think, and of course skincare routine with this particular kind of mask. And these guys are very, very beautiful. If you can grab their product, it's amazing. I know that we're in quarantine, but especially people in Uganda, if you can, after the quarantine, you can visit some of their shops to grab this. It is very magical. Dead Sea Black mask. I'm gonna be, of course, going in with this, but then I'm gonna first of all shave my face and all that. Actually, you guys, my skin one of these days, it has been to the dogs. I know I know if you guys, you might be able to recognize it, but by that, I've just shaved my face a little bit, and I'm going to right now apply the mask that I showed you. But my skin has been going to the dogs one of these days. These skies have a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. Actually, you guys, I'm just waiting for everything to dry in, as of course I talk about the other topic I wanted to talk about, and of course that is weight, body image, and body exercising. One of these days I've been dedicated. I'm trying so much to see that, of course, I continue with what I started. I'm trying to do at least 2 days. In 2 days, at least 5 days, I try to exercise like 2 days, and I'm trying to look closely or clearly at my diet, and of course all that. And I'm trying to see the results. The results are coming. They're not that very many, but the results, I tell you that they are coming. And I'm in that position where I'm partly happy with the way I look when I do wear clothing. I'm partly happy with the way I look, but it's going to be a very long journey. I want to snatch up my waist, then my upper part of the body, and of course, I don't know if this is the topic that a lot of people talk about, but I do openly talk about this with most of the time my sisters, and of course my mom. and most of the people, of course, I live with, I openly talk about this issue. It's not something new. I don't know what you guys perceive about it, but I'm very open to this topic of body image and diet, and of course how I eat, and of course all that. So is one of these days, I don't know if it's only me, but since the quarantine started, I've been literally obsessed with writing down everything I have accomplished in a particular day. So these are some of the videos that I have to be pre-shooting, and they are going to be going up, I don't know when, maybe June, July, I don't know, but I've been very, very obsessed. I've literally wrote down everything, videos I have to be, of course, making in each day or each week, and of course all that. And also my routine, I've seen everything, of course, be smart. As soon as I started dotting down, is it called dotting, jotting, or jotting, whatever the case may be, down everything I need to do in a particular day. Like in the morning, I might have a timetable. Like in the morning, around say 5, I wake up, I make my affirmations, then maybe that time I'm going to be, of course, exercising, then after that reading, then after that maybe discussion, then after that, everything when it is timetable, it doesn't give me even any hard time. So right now, immediately, of course, after I do this, I remove off this, because I think time is not on my side. I think it's fairly on, and I'm about to be removing it and try to refresh up my face. I'm gonna be, of course, going in with this Vocali Rose body lotion, hydrating, rejuvenating, and of course farming flower petal contained kind of formula. This has been my all-time kind of formula I use on my skin, and it is so hydrating, you guys. It is the most hydrating thing that I've ever seen, especially those days when the sun is out and you just feel like your skin is not having it. Just try it. And I think all Vocali products, I really do love Vocali products. I've literally used a lot of creams in the past, and of course of recent, that I really do love about Vocali, and they literally make some of the good products for my skin. I'm gonna try to just go in with this all over my skin to just moisturize it a little bit. Guys, as you see that my skin is already right now on flip, I'm gonna be, of course, going in with my skin hydrant. Oof, just feels so of course refreshing, and of course worthy. So right now I'm gonna try to go in with, of course, a very dry piece of cloth. Then I try to wipe off my face. The best way that you can literally do this is just washing your face instantly, but even I don't have the energy to go out to dump my face into that clean kind of cold water. This is how my skin looks right now. I'm very proud of it. So but let me grab you, of course, again. I'm gonna be checking in, I think, I don't know, maybe today in the evening, something like that. Okay, I might take you along the way when I shoot the videos, and maybe I'll have to check in with you guys. It's I think something like, is it already 4? I'm not very sure. Oh, it's around 5. It's coming to 5, and of course I've just got glammed up by myself to be shooting a particular kind of nursing video. Right now I'm going to be shooting my nursing kind of video over here. A lot of you guys always want to see this place, how it looks. This is how it looks when I'm going to be shooting. I always take this to be a little bit higher than the other one, because when it's higher than that, the lighting is always enough. And I don't know why I'm talking about that, but I think it's important. So I'm going to start shooting right now, but you might not see the actual process of shooting the video because I only have one camera, which means that no footage is going to be caught, especially showing the behind scenes. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm gonna try to use some powder of this shiny kind of stuff going on my face. Have on a little bit of lip gloss because my lips right now are not having it. Yes, and of course all that. So let me catch you again when this video, which I'm going to be shooting right now, is done.